Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel that is still Elena. So in this video we are going to discuss 8th class CBA 1 FA1 Telugu question paper of previous year. Okay, if you have doubt just check it out here in the top. Okay, this is the previous year question paper. I upload this question paper for you to practice well. Okay, this is, you may also take this paper as a model paper also. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful guys. If it is helpful, please do share it with your friends so that they also get an idea and they also do practice this paper. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care, stay till the end guys.